So this is how you can add auto captions in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today, you will learn how to add captions automatically on PC. So, make sure you have the CapCut software app on. Now, just add a clip. You can do that by tapping on import and then tap on this and then add a clip. The clip should be here and then you can just drag it and then put it down here. In my case, I already have it here. Now, we're gonna want to go to captions. And you can change the spoken language, bilingual captions if you have Pro, and identify full words if you have Pro. But let's just stick with English and the normal captions. So just tap on generate, and once you do that, it's going to load. Now, it's going to load for a long time depending on how long your video is, and it's going to load shortly if your video is short. So just simply wait for it, and once you do, you can edit it and do whatever with it. And there we go. It has loaded for me, and now you can see these are all individual different captions. So once you click on a single caption, you can actually edit all of them just when you tap on apply to all. So this is what the caption says. You can change the font size, you can change it to bigger or smaller. You can just honestly do whatever. You can change the color, the font, the size, and much more. You can also have effects and others. And if you want that to be the same for all of them, just simply tap on apply all, and then it will have the same setting for each and every captions that you have. So that's pretty much it. That is how you can add auto captions in CapCut PC. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.